Today I'll guide you through fixing the issue where an app cannot be installed due to integrity verification problems on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. Begin by launching your Settings app. Scroll down and locate the option for screen time. Open it, then navigate to Content Privacy Restrictions. Next, enter your screen time passcode and ensure that Safari is toggled on under the Allowed Apps section. Once verified, return to the main settings page. Scroll down and find Safari in the app list. Open it, then scroll further to find the option for Clear History and Website Data. Set it to clear all history and toggle on the option to close all tabs. Finally, click on Clear History. After clearing the history, scroll to the bottom and locate the Advanced Settings. Open it, then navigate to Feature Flags. At the bottom, you'll find the option to reset all to default. Click on it to proceed. Once completed, your problem should be resolved, and you should be able to install apps without encountering integrity verification issues. That's it. Follow these steps, and you'll be able to fix the app could not be installed problem on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.